Let's see how to simplify this irrational expression. So irrational numbers. So we have square root of 3, square root 2, also in the denominator. The only difference is in the numerator, we have square root 3 minus square root 2. So whenever we see this kind of situation, we're thinking it's conjugate. It's conjugate is square root of 3 plus square root of 2. Conjugate is like a bridges from irrational number to rational numbers. Then the formula tells us this is square root of 3 squared, which is as 3, minus square root of 2 squared, which is as 2. Because 3 is radical 3 square root of 3 squared. 2 is the square root of 2 squared. And that just equals to 1. That just equals to 1. So now the idea is we're going to use this 1. And this one we're going to write as a 3 minus 2, which is the square root of 3 squared minus the square root of 2 squared. Then we use the difference formula. Difference of 2 squared formula. That's the square root of 3 plus square root of 2 times square root of 3 minus the square root of 2. So this 1 was written as this, because this equals 1, we just calculated, right? Then we see this one and this one has a common factor of square root of 3 minus the square root of 2. Once we factor out, the first term left with this square root of 3 plus square root of 2. But what's left for this? There's 1 multiplied by this, right? So this is plus 1. Then divided by denominator is 1 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 2. Well, look, those two exactly the same. Something divides itself, that becomes 1. So what's left? Just square root of 3 minus the square root of 2 divided by 1. What's the square root of 3 divided by square root of 2? What is the square root of 3? Square root of 3, its meaning is if you square it, you get 3. So it's something. If you square it, it's 3. You can think as some number squared to be 3, which is we don't know exactly which number. That's why we call irrational number. Irrational, which means it doesn't really make sense to our brains yet. So this whole expression can be simplified as radical 3 minus radical 2. And what it is, nobody really knows, but it's an irrational number, which is keep as it is.